one you Opambuor wo.
Oh, yes, I'm too mebunufo.
Okay. The Yankopon person.
Omada ne
Ah,
Omo inspirational speakers.
Okay, Yankopon person go animu ase a. Saa na oye wo. Obo
Opambuor de ono still ono oba aban na baso. Opambuor de so
ah
ba aban na baso.
na wayi wona usiutu eso che wa wumu a. Ebe de omo aba maso. Abusiafo hwe. Ma memfa wi ntwa mu ansa makọ boho no so. Yo ma ama ane ye wasofo bebira omo ye turumudifo. Meme se
abusefo mamu nyina makọ aba de Ghana and Sam TV so. No more so like video no best subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Send be next time. Videos of this nature about so sabit me akabi. Now so watch our comment section dem ai. Say the munyam no from Mr. President. Na say the die from Mr. President and one be so mo na from adwuma. If by chance they offer na person contribute to your work. The person boy adwuma ya ne ade a. The patron number na was on you can reach out to yen. Na yes abeka na better was so. Na Mr. Saka video na kase adudi nya metiase. Me nkasa pi, no me ko video me koba stay tuned no me ko ba bia me ba na discuss issues bi. Yon ko message here.
wetin say your mama baba bibia magana. E ba cho to muda o. Ono evie nwotwe na otra ho no. Sika no a e ba Ghana bia na gold ni dollars ni frefra no ya ante ho asem bi no. Oye sika o load di ko Russia. E ho na o packing ne nemo. Nti ana mo ka Dubai asem a ono Dubai on fanko. Ko Dubai fo no kremofo no mbetene to. Nti wo de ko Russia. Ono na ba ya akire wo se aye bibi no. Na se Sami Jemfi na aha me pacho obofo we reven obofo Ghana wama oho wone ayi Opambuor wo ho.
Oh, yes, I'm too mebunufo.
Okay, the Yankopon person.
Omada ne Omo inspirational speakers.
Okay, Yankopon person go animu ase a saa na oye wo.
Opambuor de ono still ono oba aban na baso. Opambuor de so ba aban na baso.
Na wayi wona usiutu eso che wa wumu a ebe de omo aba maso. Abusiafo hwe. Ma memfa wi ntwa mu ansa makọ boho no so. Yo ma ama ane ye wasofo bebira omo ye turumudifo. Meme se papa bi a ne trouser kakraka no. Ye brand ni ko prison no. Ye wo ne to ewo ayi prisons wo. Enti onu turumudie enye na de foforo. Ye yetwa ne nsa no. Turumudie enye na de foforo. Se wo expect say obi ye sofo wabo kredika ebodu ko mu nti no. Sa adwuma no onye bia eno de atumuda. Na adwuma omudi ano no. Ena sofo ni bebire no. Esan se enye Nyankopon na wo som no nti na odi bibia hya ase no saa de na odi hya ase ye adwuma no eno na kire no de wonje nti bebire ni fa nkola ato e wo maso ade ni Ghana ye ni wo na Nigeria fo bete yesi sofo we sei Ghana kwa yesi ye de na ebia pie na mpie adwuma omudi ano no edu nti no na MPP wo ho ne niam mienu ena no mreta MPP one say ye de digitalization ba digitalization no kese ebeyi corruption ho sofo no so no ye corrupt enti one prema ne ma. Number 2, about we ba say na nadu ani abre na MPP ani abre se da bigay no ebe say ye manti yempene no omo so ayade a omo ne sa foreign aid for no ebebre no akonati omo ye sa na ma no enti omo nya ska free ho enti ono no obe try ni means bia say o ma power opa ye musa asofo na we Ghana say e die enti na mo ye campaign MPP 1 ba o mi ye kramuni. Meanwhile, NDC was your gramofo, Yavo mo you. I be bound maswally, a bet to correction mom, Papa Yama Kabi. Enti, enya gramunibia. Na, your mama, what the young queen.
NLA boss who cry Muslim. Why? NLA, your church, church.
Okay. Enti, sir, boho, your mama to me could to know, getting to 1 billion. Na, one fee. So two boho no between the 300 and a polytank in 400 ya. Yankopon bet you moka. Na me de me empire ma boni de bia Yankopon so betie me pa na so simple. Matisse Ibrahim ama ese koto pray. Ono de oye no wase wu sukura na me ye no more because Magdan oje ne site na ya airport wono na ya jama no de ya adwuma na Magdan de nyankopon na twe na so wo MPP atimi aboa usi no da ne wachi ama na pise mo ye sa no munya so ketua omo ye se ye betwe MPP aba form na the base for mo de ntokwasim Israel state so okotene de mala mi sa so okotene de say wotibonsu omo de agu so say wo ye corrupt ha me say MPP nyankopon ti na kakra na aka no onyankopon on fa nipa dodo se nipa nyina sa kire o madwo mo pe ope ba on fa dodo anya de o
NDC for use Ghana for the earlier we accept it the better ama yes let's move on. That's some George the nyankopon betua ne ka no ho or ya warm up e da nyankopon no obedu obetua ne ka ne bedru we nyina wo krom ha ye beti
But it been to so mommy why they yam fam famunya topic of the day no why
meba ama mame momodi ana me nko hwehwe eyi a tidbit ne mbro okay I think na me ne nam hini
Usually Ghana hana yet no nsem ni bi wa bet na na ye kan you might think say just say we just e kasa na e yende ene e ma ekoso nyina kire say amemwo no mu hu so o mu hu hwe so ba meme de ne say sa asofufu we nyina na president mama wa ban nti onye new candidate enu nti na me I have a problem with them. Yes.
And fat bids producers
Felix, my Sunday back on the Felix,
me call her continuity see me bo we ya na me bo eno afra ye my adio hey alu muha ene de muha ye de akyere o twen finish loading hey ene de muha karaf rukaf osoro kasa and this for the west she what's up papa we me say nana do nyame a oti ase o nana do nyame a oti ase a nana do nyame a oti ase o nana do nyame a oti ase ba wo me nyame oti ase o
for their party to come to power, even though they don't have capacity,
to come to power,
they are giving position.
And they are of capacity. We preaching more. Mo hwe kura me se nyankopon be gum animu ase mo ye be gum animu ase a mo sa so fo we num ye be gum animu ase ye be gum animu ase be gum animu ase mo ya be fu asofo obi say fellas you are not serious kura o me serious beba I mean you kura se ni mfiri so na memfa new video number okay, we need a side by side into my menu influencer. Me pen kwasi ade no kwasi asam ye be papa unimi ana unimi e ba se ye nyimi a ye be jimi full hour ya nya hwe neba you like you are there you are look for legality kwasi aba akusu ni ye ba ne so omo kwasi aburofo no omo kwatena TV so keka aye no ye be kirem ocupacity ne hwan city ni na obi abegini ni twaze din na yanko
To acknowledge open.
na do crash nya botre na Friday e be the form of anche Friday dey no sa na ye no why e ma na nya wanwa Friday do uro di to illegality men pay opacity oh I don't know dey biasa ma dey na dey say ah and by the form of ancho why
As they push for their party to come to power.
Wait, man of God, wait. I say wait. Hey, man of God, wait. You push for Onye to come to power. Yankobi. Inti Bedukobi, what's the name? Yeah, part 1 and 2. Fight of the Titans. Asofwa Kesefwa Aircon. Yanko.
You were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you?
Cheap man.
Cheap man. And now you come and say, the president scammed me.
Yeah.
What a shame. You didn't let this come from your mouth. No president helped me. I built my auditorium. No president helped Bolivia. He built his auditorium. No president helped other men of God. They built that. Only you want politicians to build for you. What a shameful man. Disgraceful man.
You go reach everybody.
You are getting money, buying cars. Doing nonsense things.
Yes, nonsense.
Waiting for a political party. What a shame.
Hey.
And these followers will never say something which is right. Nonsense.
Now bedu ko bisa na ate. Hey, nenti so for penny ben papa na wetumi aye ne sa no. Yay. Obi says left with Ajinasari and Cranchankra very soon, very soon. Okay. Now, and Metia Kasa na minya new mail from the United States of America on White House. See le down on here. Ellen baby info amadeko. And odifli White House de breme. Mapacho mama yenko tie na matese bombo ato. Yenko tie mra, yenko.
They push for their party to come to power.
Yeah.
Even though they don't have capacity.
Can you imagine?
They are given position without capacity.
What?
They misbehave. And they have wives who will never tell their husband, you have never worked before.
Hey, Debbie. Sofo. No, Sofo. We are not going, no, Sofo, no. You are not going to do that. Or a pastor and a reverend and a Dr. Duncan Williams and no there. Or no, not there. Sofo. Pastor, Debbie, pastor, not just what to so. Reverend, my boy. Hey, Debbie, Archbishop. Hey. Archbishop, this one we shall not allow you. Archbishop, you cannot say that. How can you say they are not working? They are working. They are work for NDC. They work together with you to insult Nanado, to tell Nanado that the dollar must stop. The dollar, I raised the city. So they worked. Hey, now, right there. Kwesi. So today, Duncan Williams is telling us that the NDC boys, they've never worked in their life. Sir. Oh, really? Target. And yes, landlord obey too. Because they are been 4 way by an among guys and ansenya. What can I say? Sebion prediasa. Abronya koka sembi manyan de. Enunti oko Israel. Eko jare wo red Jordan mu. Eba ba Ghana. Se osuru kasa, se wonu wonka chi. Wonka brofo. Woka osuru kasa yeti kromu ha. Ano peja na ni sha pepo. Ano ka kuhum kaha muha me na me fi se wifo yen yetem. Ye jina ho Emma Duncan William the wifo tem, we base tem ebe ka kire ye say yo osuru kasa. Da be no kumo yi yenim se kumo eja na so ye se kumo ye osuru kasa enu nti ye de adomi abronye nti na abronye ho eye febe. Ma jeno was na me na me se duabon ese nipa me nim se duabon ma nipa ye fine. And now me share me chairman na se so chairman ye jalala se ne kakra. Am say chairman ho ya kono papa. Abronye ho ya kono. Na se duabon bi tumi siesie nipa sei. E na ya nkwaji bi ame de osu bempa nko na me ma ne bo mi dua yi. Sanka Duncan Williams bo mi dua ka ma bra bo asesa. E na hwa abronye de awayo. No me toche. Unya chairman po. Na say ya iba omi ase o yi onko janu wa sorry dem yi. Okwa yi church service. Na chairman has say ni tiri ho kama na hwe ne shirt kama bi e se ne pass yes. We a lawyer ni papa mpa. Abronya we correct. Yet na ha Ghana for na ha Emma Duncan William betutu pimpinis se koko boto anyama. Koko boto anya masa wono no soro di bibia se nanum nti abro nya wawu. No betina ho u a kumo na msi yo wi ne sa de be yew.